own it because it looks good.
Hello everyone, I'm out with the Jeep Club Sans husband, so Maddie's at home and I'm heading out with the Jeep Club on what they're calling an experience weekend, where they take people either new to four-wheel driving or new to their vehicle and take them out and show them the ropes and teach them new skills in their cars. I think that's a fantastic initiative of the Jeep Club. This is the first time we're going to have Olive out four-wheel driving. No doubt she's, with all the scratches on her, she's been out four-wheel driving before, but this is the first time I've got her out.
Welcome everyone, we might just move back down, we'll just go down the convoy. So my name's Dane, I've got a blue XJ. So the course of the weekend, the main things we're going to do, we'll take it easy, take it slow, it's not a rush. We'll get up to Gordon Country, get ourselves set up camp. Then we're going to have a bit of a discussion around four-wheel drive, elements of the four-wheel drive specific to the Jeep, some recovery stuff, discussion, and any questions you guys have about pretty much anything Jeep related, whether it be driving techniques, modifications, all that kind of stuff. Feel free to lock them away and be happy to answer those. And then we'll go and do some driving this afternoon in relation to some of those driving techniques, so downhill stuff.
You're a good girl, Olive.
Control the speed without actually using the brake. Second gear might be useful to start with, see how you go.
Come on, Olive.
Fantastic gear now to the left there in the valley. I don't exactly know what valley that is on the map there. Oh, we got another four-wheel drive coming, guys.
Ooh.
Another two. Hopefully they'll park off to the left and I'll get them to wait up.
Olive is stalling on the hills.
Okay, just bring back the gear then, Leisa. Probably back to second gear or even first if you're in high range. Feel free to Hey Leisa, is the car stalling or stopped?
It's stalled.
Okay, so that's on the hill.
Yeah, it is.
We'll probably have to do a hill start, so handbrake on, and just see if it'll idle in neutral at the moment. Foot on brake, handbrake on, just see if it'll idle.
Okay. Okay, she's idling away here.
to the passenger side a little bit. That's it.
So I'm in first.
You're in first and it's just stalled.
And she's just stalling.
Yeah.
Alrighty, here I go. Here I go. That's a pretty creek. Beautiful.
How far is it to McDonald's?
There's a baby donkey on the way. Okay, selfie together. Okay. Are you having a good time?
I'm having a fabulous time. Are you having a good time?
I'm having a good
Olive
time.
is amazing. I love her. I adore you in her. You look the part.
Thank you.
I know it's not about looks. I'm sorry, but
Well, it kind of is.
yeah, I think so too. Because I was saying to Jenny when he's like talking about the different kinds and considering, I'm like,
I know.
dude, they're cute. I want it because it looks good.
I know. When we're talking wheels and tyres and about what's legal and not and what's not, I'm liking, as long as it looks good. As long as it looks good.
Damn straight. He doesn't get my MO, my backstory, my motivation. This looks, Olive's awesome. Daisy's cute. I don't want to pick up anymore. I drive a pickup back home. So like the...
Everyone, if we're good to saddle up, we'll jump in. Reenie's going to be
Yes.
the lead.
So is that a camera?
This is a video camera, but I can take
Yeah, be
stills
careful
from
what you
it.
say, because Lisa's going to put this on YouTube.
It'll be on YouTube. Yeah, for sure.
I love everyone. It's amazing. They're all nice. Please have me back again.
You have to buy a Jeep.
You should tell Lisa what your experience of your first four-wheel driving ever yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was my first four-wheel drive ever.
And how did you go?
It's incredibly awesome and terrifying in equal measures at the same time.
It's great.
I'm not going to say that I was, because you're videoing this. I don't want to fess up to how much I was
Suffering.
When we got to the bit where it was like experienced drivers, I'm like, Jenny, I'm out. Like, this is my first day. I'm not experienced. This isn't experience.
Oh, we're off. Wow. got a moo cow escort leading the way.
Carcass cow, whatever they are, have taken over as trip leaders here. Herd of cows.